Ready to escape the routine? So are we. With Go Roam, our travel specialists handcraft a perfect adventure for you that's not only affordable, but fits in your busy schedule. But the thing that makes us different? It's all a surprise. Go Roam is your new travel option. With Go Roam, you simply create a profile, fill out an online survey, and we do the rest. We handcraft a signature trip for you based on the places you want to see, your budget, and when you're ready to travel. All the while, sending you surprise boxes each week with items that hint at your travel destination. With Go Roam, the adventures you can have are limitless. See a live show, attend a festival, make new friends, eat local, or treat yourself. See places you've never seen before, or go back to places you can't get enough of. Take a vacation or a staycation. Our team is here to take the stress out of traveling. Whenever you travel, and wherever you want to travel, there's only one way to plan a trip that you'll always remember. Go Roam, your personal travel planner.